Hey, I'm Steve, and for all you gardeners out there, I want to show you a pair of garden gloves that I really like. These gloves are puncture-proof, they're thorn-proof, and you can even use them on the touch screen on your phones. They're very versatile. You can use them for anything: weeding, mowing, pruning, landscaping, whatever you got going, whatever DIY project, construction work, whenever you're doing in the outside. Plus, if you've got some gardeners in your life, they would make a perfect gift. So some of the features: the palm is abrasion resistant and it reduces vibrations. The soft synthetic leather and the pig leather patches are very durable, and they even have anti-shock padding. So that means your hands are going to stay comfortable and sweat free. Now here's a feature that I really like. The back of the gloves are also puncture proof, and they also have reinforced pigskin leather patches, so that's going to protect your knuckles. And a feature that you're really going to like is you can use your touchscreen device on your phone without taking off the gloves. They are specifically designed to use on touch screens. Now, I don't have super large hands, but I have thick hands, and these are size large. They fit me absolutely perfect. They go on easy, they come off easy. I'm really going to enjoy these. The fingers are pre-curved and they are cut at a 45-degree angle. They're flexible, breathable, and you're just going to find out that these gloves are really comfortable. If you're looking at purchasing a pair of these gloves, I hope you found this video helpful.